Good morning, everybody. My name is Corinne Mitchell Hill, a sophomore psychology student currently attending North Carolina Central University. Scenario question 2 asks, you are 4 weeks into the fellowship and have some questions about the curriculum. You email and text your site leader to ask for help. It's been 2 days. You haven't heard back from them. You're teaching this lesson first thing in the morning. What are you thinking? What do you do? And what, if anything, would you do differently? My response to that question is, if it's the night before a lesson and I haven't heard back from my site leader, after reaching out, I'll definitely feel a little bit stressed, but I also need to stay calm, solution-based focused. First, I'll go back to the curriculum materials I already have and do my best to understand the lesson on my own. I might also reach out to my fellow teaching peer in the fellowship to see if they took the lesson already or can help clarify things. If I'm still unsure, I'll prepare for flexible, student-centered version of the lesson that still hits the core objectives, even if I have to adapt a few things. In the future, I'll try to give myself buffer time, reaching out early if I have questions, and maybe even set up a quick check-in schedule with my site leader at the start of the week. I'll also keep running lists of curriculum questions so I can ask them if needed. The goal is to prepare, flexible, and not left uncertain, stop learning from happening. So I used to be an intern for Freedom Schools. Freedom Schools is basically a summer camp where we teach kids how to read and write again and just how to help them build them up in Charlotte, North Carolina. So I have many experience with dealing with curriculum because over the summer we have to do a curriculum inside the book and you have to teach it. Every day it's a new book. You have to teach to the students. You have to make sure they write. You have to make sure they're doing everything they need to. You have to make sure they know how to read and stuff. So I definitely say from learning from that experience, I say look the week before, look into that book. Look into your curriculum and understand the material, then ask questions. But you have to understand the material before you could even teach the material. So I definitely say it just takes a part of me as a Teach for America intern. I would definitely prioritize that, get to understand what I'm teaching,